What do these results imply about the nature of the population? All right, question 10. What do these results imply about the structure of the natural population? G. One reason why wild type is most common in nature is that its larvae survive the best in competition. The evidence seems to show that yellow-bodied flies do not suffer in competition with wild type. Why then are there so few yellow-bodied in nature? This is the most difficult question. This is most difficult. And it asks you to connect or extend your ideas. It is an inference question. And since we have spent some time discussing this, we should be able to come up with an answer. Now, I do want to remind you that there was a hint or a tip. It said, note that the experimental conditions are highly unnatural. So the reason is that perhaps the experiments were done in a highly unnatural environment. So according to data, you would expect this, right? You would expect this according to the data. But the data is in unnatural environment. The data was collected that's going to go off the screen, I know that, so I'll just say the rest. Was collected under unnatural environment. So the evidence is misleading because the total number of flies, no. Wide-eyed flies promote survivability of the yellow-bodied, but they are rare in nature. There's no mention of that. Under natural conditions, many factors other than competition determine the variability. That's extending our knowledge and applying it and connecting it based on, I didn't create this, based on the given information. Given information. And that was the tip that they gave us at the beginning. All right, so that concludes this portion of the video. To recap, 2 strategies. Read the question first and look for the answers in the passage, and you can only do this if they tell you which experiment to go to or the diagram. Same with the figures or the graphs, tables. They have to tell you exactly where to go. Second level, which we studied here, was the analysis type, where you look at the data, you analyze the data, you begin to discuss the data, you jot down a few of the parameters, separate them from the main text, and you can see how much jotting we've done, and then go back to the possible answer choices and pick the best answer. So good luck with your practices. See you in my next video.